We're looking at a brand new welder bed, and it fits a Chevy truck, 01 and up Chevy truck. It's got the square back, it's got the notch right here. The deck is a smooth deck, and it's got the notch out for the welder unit. Toolbox, there's 4 toolboxes. They got a nice gasket, automotive style gasket inside. Secure closing latch. It's got the aluminum tread plate. This is a new old stock bed, so it's discounted heavily. It's a pretty good sized box. It's got the optional headache rack with the DOT lighting and the LED lights, the tail lights and reverse lights or work lights, and then of course the LED marker lights on it. We'll go take a look underneath here. It's got 42-inch frame rails, a good heavy deck above, a lot of cross members, and then that hitch is rated for, the receiver hitch is rated for, I think it's 14,500 pounds, so you can pull a lot with it, more than your truck would be rated for, being a single rear wheel truck. Again, this fits a single wheel rear wheel Chevy pickup truck. It's a real nice bed. So you get 4 toolboxes, a whole ball of wax. Thanks for looking.